Tradovate versus TradingView. Let's start with Tradovate. So Tradovate is a commission-free futures and options trading platform, offering direct market access, fast execution, and advanced tools for active traders. So let's talk about its pros. It offers commission-free futures trading. It also has a lightning-fast order execution and depth of market, and it supports advanced order types and strategy automations, and it integrates with NinjaTrader and other tools. The only downside is it's focused only on futures and options, not for stocks or crypto. And TradingView, on the other hand, is a charting and technical analysis platform with broker integration, social features, and a massive library of indicators, which is ideal for traders of all markets. So it offers a best-in-class charting with hundreds of indicators. As you can see here, it has a lot of indicators with the best-in-class charting. So you can see you can integrate it in your own platform as well. It also offers and supports multiple asset classes like stocks, crypto, forex, and many more, and it has a huge community of shared scripts and strategies. It also has a broker integration for trading inside the charts, and it has a great free tier plus low cost pro plans. The only downside is it is not a brokerage itself, so you need to connect to a broker to trade. So use Tradovate if you're a serious futures or options traders looking for direct execution, and use TradingView if you want world-class charts, multi-asset analysis, and a broad trading community.